Hey CharleeMarBeauty, it's me, CharleeMarBeauty. I'm here with a new look, a new beat. This is going to be your everyday look. Just some regular old brown eyeshadow with your eyelashes, and it's just a basic, nice everyday glam. So like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you ladies think. CharleeMarBeauty. Okay, so I'm going in with the Princessa dark brown eyebrow pencil. And we're outlining our brows and filling them in. Now we're going to go ahead and brush out our brows because we want a natural brow. And when we conceal, that also helps. All right. Okay, that was the eyebrow pencil by Princessa by my local beauty supply store in the shade dark brown. We are switching over to Kiss dark brown, and I'm actually going to get a pencil from Huda Beauty just to try new things. Okay, now we're going with Fawn to conceal our brows. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn to clean up the brows. I hope that I'm close enough and not too close. Let me know if this is too zoomed in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and blend that out before I lay down my base concealer to do my eyeshadow. Okay, now I'm going in with the Born This Way Too Faced Concealer in the shade Butterscotch for my eyelid base. All right. So desire. Okay, so this is gonna be my first soft glam beat. You know, my normal soft glam, I do 2 or 3 colors on the eyelid. It felt weird just doing one color. I mean, I did 2 colors, but they're both brown. They're shades of brown. And yeah, for a person that always goes over the top a little bit, this just felt different. But it ended up being a nice soft glam look. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so I don't normally drink, you guys, but when I do drink, it has to be fruity, flavorful, and something light. And for some reason, alcohol just makes me sleepy. So I don't know if it just don't work for me or if that's just what alcohol does. But yeah, I'm not really a drinker. Okay, right here I'm going in with the primer by e.l.f. And this is Poreless Putty. And then I went over it with the NYX Hydro primer. Just want to make sure I got enough primer. That makeup, I don't want it seeping too far into my pores. All right. Okay, so I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible foundation in the shade 520, and then I'm going over that with the NARS foundation in the shade Macao. The 520 comes off a little bit orange, and the NARS comes off a little bit sandy. But together, they blend beautifully. My Infallible Wear by L'Oreal 520 come off a little orange, and this comes off a little bit more sandier than I would like, but this is the NARS in the shade Macao. Okay, this is the same Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch, and I have to say this is the very first time that I actually let my concealer sit a little bit under my eyes. And then I went ahead and went in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And I blended it all out and I set it right away. And when I say that I didn't have crease under my eye, it was the first time that my eye didn't crease. So let that concealer sit under your eye if you face creasing, under your eyelids. Let it sit a little bit and get tacky. They mean that when they say that. Trust that. Trust the process. I also believe by going in with a damp beauty blender, that also helped melt that concealer into my skin. And this is the first time that I use my beauty blender a little bit more damp than usual. I guess before I was wringing that thing out. Let it be damp, okay? Remember the word damp? You still want a little bit of moisture to it. It makes all the difference when you're blending out that makeup. All right, ladies. That was Butterscotch by Born This Way, Too Faced. On the side of that, I'm going over with Warm Honey. LLC by LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. I also have to say that normally I do less is more when it comes to the setting powder, especially under my eye, because I'd be worried about creasing. But this time around, I did not fret, okay? I went in with that Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich, and I made sure I had a good amount on my damp beauty blender, and I pressed it into the skin. And when I say my eyelids did not crease, they did not crease. You can't be afraid of the makeup. It's crazy how you can still learn new techniques when you feel confident in your makeup. Hope that makes sense. Okay, so I thought I was a darker complexion when I started doing makeup, and when you get into the shades and things like that, you learn your true complexion, your true shades. This palette is a little bit red brown. I need to find one that's brown brown. So, you got any tips? You got any advice? Let me know. This is the same one I use for my eyeshadow. I didn't put no extra powder. I just contoured the nose, okay? I'm gonna go in with my NW45. No harsh lines. Okay, I'm gonna do the reverse, I don't want to say contour, setting method. And we're setting again with the Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. And set the rest of our face. This is the e.l.f. complexion brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just smooth out all that powder, okay? Okay, so we're going with our Morphe powder. The Maybelline Hourglass spray. Oh, that one was too matte, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair. It's a short clip of this. This is not a hair tutorial, so we just cut to the end. This wig, I did upload a video on this install. I like it, but there's a lot of flyaways. I tried to spray hairspray, use the hold spray. I still got in the car. I can't even crack the window without the flyaways all over the place. I don't know if it's because of the dye or what, but this is the first wig I had that has so many flyaways. So any tips, tricks, let me know. And this is a 26-inch, 13x4 burgundy highlight with auburn wig that I got from Megalook. I like it. I tried to cut some layers in there so that the hair in the front can curl properly, but that did not work out. Hey, it's CharleeMarBeauty. I'm here with a new beat. Like, comment, and subscribe. This video will be coming out here shortly. CharleeMarBeauty.